Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. We have a great word to learn.
Inzwischen.
Hi Alex. What does
inzwischen
mean?
Inzwischen.
Means meanwhile or in the meantime in English. It's commonly used to refer to the time that passes between two events. Just be careful, as it can sometimes be confused with similar adverbs.
Oh, I see. So, is it mostly used in speaking or writing?
It's used in both contexts, but it's especially common in everyday conversations. Now, let's look at the grammar.
Inzwischen.
Is actually an adverb, so it doesn't have an article or a plural form, since those are for nouns.
Got it. Adverbs are a bit simpler.
Exactly. In terms of usage, you might say,
Ich mache das jetzt, und inzwischen kannst du warten.
which means I'll do that now, and in the meantime, you can wait.
So there's no past or future tense for adverbs like with verbs.
Right. Adverbs don't change tense. But you can use
Inzwischen.
to connect events in time. For example,
Hat das Buch gekauft, und inzwischen hat es gelesen.
meaning he bought the book, and meanwhile, he has read it. The word
Inzwischen.
comes from Middle High German, where it used to mean in between. It has evolved to its current form and usage over time.
That's really interesting. So it has a historical background.
Yes. Words often carry stories with them, and understanding that can help us remember them better. Now, let's break down.
Inzwischen.
The prefix means in, and
Zwischen.
means between. Together, they give you the sense of being in between two times or events.
So it's like being in the space between two things.
Exactly. And since
Zwischen.
is a noun meaning between, it highlights that relationship. Let's look at some similar words. For example,
Zwischen.
means between, and you can create phrases like
Zwischen den Stühlen.
meaning between the chairs.
I see. What about other words with similar prefixes?
Sure. Here are a few.
Inbegriffen.
Which means included. The prefix plus.
Begriffen.
For grasped.
Inaktiv.
Meaning inactive.
Inspirieren.
Which means to inspire.
Einfühlen.
Meaning to empathize.
Einzige.
Meaning only.
Inländisch.
Meaning domestic.
Insgesamt.
Which means overall.
Inventar.
meaning inventory.
Wow, that's a lot of similar words.
Now, let's practice using.
inzwischen,
In some real-life situations. Imagine you're at a restaurant and your food is taking a while. You can say,
ich warte seit einer Stunde, und inzwischen habe ich Hunger.
meaning I've been waiting for an hour, and in the meantime, I am hungry.
Okay, let me try.
Ich warte seit einer Stunde, und inzwischen möchte ich essen.
Perfect. Now, let's say you're at a meeting and something else is happening. You can say,
Inzwischen hat jemand einen Vorschlag gemacht.
which means, meanwhile, someone made a suggestion.
Inzwischen hat jemand einen Vorschlag gemacht.
That sounds good.
Great job. One more situation. Imagine you're telling a friend about your day. You could say,
Ich habe gearbeitet, und inzwischen habe ich einen Film geschaut.
meaning I worked, and in the meantime, I watched a movie.
Ich habe gearbeitet, und inzwischen habe ich einen Film geschaut.
I think I've got it.
Now, let's talk about gender memory hints. Since
Inzwischen,
is an adverb, we don't have a gender. But if we think of,
zwischen,
we can remember its meaning through the imagery of two things separating it.
That's a good way to remember it.
For usage notes,
inzwischen,
is informal and can be used in everyday speech. Some typical collocations include phrases like,
inzwischen ist das passiert.
meaning in the meantime, that happened, and
Inzwischen bin ich müde.
meaning meanwhile, I am tired.
And what about similar words?
Be careful with words like
Zwischen,
and,
unterdessen,
which also mean meanwhile. Let's do a quick recall check. What does
inzwischen,
mean?
It means meanwhile or in the meantime.
Correct. Next question, can you give me an example sentence using
inzwischen,
Sure.
Inzwischen habe ich gegessen.
nice? What about the origin of
inzwischen,
It comes from Middle High German and means in between.
great job? What's the prefix of
inzwischen,
It's.
Lastly, can you tell me if it's formal or informal?
It's informal.
Perfect. You've done an excellent job today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
inzwischen,
helps you connect events in time, making your conversations flow better.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about this word.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.